Welcome back to On the Beat, everyone. I'm your host, Rachel Hurt, and today our friend Patrick Wooten of Richard Schwartz and Associates Law Firm is back to talk to us about post-accident treatments. Welcome back, Patrick.
Great to see you, Rachel.
Always good to see you. Always good to see you.
Well, thank you.
I have some questions today about if I am injured in a car accident and medical treatment. How does that work?
You know, that's probably one of the #1 questions we get is who can treat me, who's going to pay my bills, will they take my health insurance? And really, health insurance is what we hope everyone has. We want them to hopefully be able to get the treatment they need, whether it's very basic of going to your family doctor and you have a minor injury, or if you have to go all the way to a neurosurgeon and have, you know, back surgery or neck surgery. But really the key is if you have health insurance, make sure you provide that to your medical professional. Now, there are times they may say, not so sure about that.
So they won't, what if they won't treat me?
Yeah, and that's the thing. A lot of doctors, I understand, don't like being involved in an accident claim because they're worried they may have to get deposed, or how is their bill going to be paid? Is the Blue Cross Blue Shield or United Healthcare going to pay it because it's third-party related? Yes, they will. There are a lot of steps involved, and that's really where having an attorney and having Schwartz and Associates involved can help you to navigate that very confusing medical path.
I bet there's a lot of questions that come up. I bet there are lots of restrictions. I mean, what if my policy doesn't cover the extent of the medical bills? What do you do in a situation like that?
That's right. So, you know, you can have it to where, you know, so many different layers. You really hit the nail on the head. Is there medical payment coverage on the vehicle you were in that can help pay medical bills? Well, if there is, well, it has to be exhausted before health insurance even steps into play. Or what if my injuries are so bad and there's just not enough insurance on the other side? Well, that's where Schwartz and Associates can work with your medical providers and make sure they are filing it on health insurance. Or sometimes they'll negotiate because they understand you getting well and getting the treatment you need is priority #1. That's absolutely what the #1 concern is. We want everyone to get healthy.
That's great. I mean, because accidents the level of severity of the injuries that someone can sustain, they vary so much, from whiplash, like you said, to surgical situations. Does a health provider have to accept my insurance?
They do. I mean, they have to file, whether it's private health insurance, whether it's Medicare, whether it's Medicaid, they do have to accept it. You know, especially the government-funded ones, they absolutely have to take it. There are some periods, specifically for Medicare, it's 120 days. They cannot file it for 120 days, but after that period of time, then they do need to file it with Medicare. But sometimes it takes a little cajoling from our law firm to make sure they do that.
What about an individual that doesn't have health insurance? How are those injuries treated? And how do you all help them get the results that they need and treatment that they deserve? Yeah,
that's a great question. And unfortunately, there are a lot of Mississippians and Alabamans who don't have health insurance, and that is where we step in. We have companies we work with who have partnered with medical professionals who can help go get them treatment. You know, they can work on a lien, which ensures that doctor, you know, or medical professional will get paid when the case successfully resolves. Because, you know, getting well, you can't even get to the resolution of a case until someone recovers from their injury.
Very true. Yeah. So the first step in an accident, what do I need to do when it comes to my health insurance?
Absolutely. First step is make sure you get checked out. You know, your health is #1. You only have one body. Always present your health insurance card. Even if they say, we can't take it, tell them, make a copy of it. I want it on file. Keep a list of everywhere you go. You know, shocking, we run into times where people kind of forget, well, I forget who I saw, or I went to so many places, and they kind of lose track. So make sure you keep a file folder of every medical professional you see, so that we can reach out to them on your behalf.
That's a great idea, because in stressful situations, sometimes we forget the very, very simple things. Keeping a list, that's key. I can't remember what I did yesterday, so that's wonderful advice. If you all need more information and this happens to you, please call Patrick and the associates at Richard Schwartz. All the information's up on the screen. Give them a call so they can help you get healthy again. We'll be back after this short break.